Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a Colombian with ocho turns. Now it's going to be really helpful if you've already done a Colombian and back, so I'll put a link to that video in the description below, so if you want to go back and look at it, it's going to be easy and quick for you to find it. And this is obviously a move that can be any length. We're going to keep it quite short purely so it's really easy to keep it in frame, but if you've got an entire dance floor you could romp across the floor and use the ochos to do your turns at the end. So it just basically replaces the rock step in a Colombian and back. So we're going to keep it short, and putting it in looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. Go back, in, twist, step behind, in front, behind, ocho, through in front, behind, in front, behind, and in front, and then just a return to finish off. So let's break it down. I'll come over this way this time so you see it from the other side. It starts like a first move. So we go back, we come in, probably a good idea to go for the shoulder blade rather than the hip. We do the twist out and we start with a standard piece of Colombian. So we go step behind, step in front, step behind. You could do more, but we're going to do our turn here. So now at this point we're going to turn, twisting, no change of weight, and we get the leg around and then we bring it down the back. So we get our sweep down the back. So now that's effectively a step behind, so we can go step in front, step behind. We're going to do one more in front, and this time we're going to sweep round and come through the middle, and then you're back into a Colombian. So this is kind of like going up, back and up again. Now this time we're just going to do an exit with a return. So we're going to go step behind, in front, return, and you're done. From a numbers point of view, it works exactly the same as a standard Colombian. The only thing you need to worry about is the ocho, and the ocho, you're literally here and you just go 1, 2. You can do it in a single count, so if you want to take less time, you can whoosh through it, but it's quite nice if you get the kind of da-da-da-da-da, whoosh, and take your time on the turns. So we'll call it like that, and we'll see how we get on. We'll come back to this side for it. Let's have a go together. 5, 6, Colombian with ocho turns. We go a back, in, twist, step behind, in front, behind, whoosh, behind, in front, whoosh, behind, in front, return, and back. And that's the whole thing. Colombian and back, or Colombian and back and up again, with ocho turns. Hope you find that useful and fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notifications, if you've got them turned on, will mean you get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice this move to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.